Like, I feel like I'm just, you know what I'm saying?
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Can you tell that I have on a wig? This is the type of glass that you get from the dollar store when you ain't got no money. I got this wine from Total Wines. This is actually a pineapple wine. So it's made from 100% pure and natural pineapples. It's from Trade Winds. It does have like a weird aftertaste. I don't know why it tastes ham. Either way, it's really, really good. If you taste a little ham, that's fine. Pineapple and ham go together. It's good. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this wig. This wig is from the company called Recool Hair. Recool Hair is an online wig store where you can buy wigs, bundle deals, all that type of stuff. One of the units that they have on their website that's also sponsoring this video is this wig right here. Now, this wig is the Recool Bob Wig Brazilian Straight Short Lace Front Human Hair Wig. It's pre-plucked and it has baby hairs as well, but it's a Remy hair wig, so it's a little bit more affordable. But let me tell you something. The hair is so soft. This wig is a lace front wig. It came with 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. The lace on it is kind of like a lighter tinted lace. So if you're like my skin tone, it should be okay. If you're a little bit darker, you may need to tint your lace. And it is pre-plucked. So not pre-plucked to perfection, it's pre-plucked to satisfaction. So I didn't have to pluck it anymore. It looks natural enough. This wig comes in 8, 10, 12, and 14 inches. This wig is the 14 inch. We like bob wigs for the summertime. 30 inches in the summertime is not cute. You'll have hair all up on your back, all in your booty crack, just everywhere. But let me actually show you what this hair looks like in the back. If you want to see how I styled this wig and make her look super natural and like my own natural silk press, just keep on watching and then I'll be back. So we're going to start off by bleaching our knots with the L'Oreal Quick Blue Powder in the Clear All Pure White Developer, 30 volume developer. And I'm just going to do it like I always do. I make sure I mix it into a paste that's like a toothpaste texture, and then I spread it all over the lace and let that sit for about 40-45 minutes. And next we're going to cut off our lace. That is a necessary step. We don't need to be looking like we got a visor on. Next we're going to apply our wig grip. This supports the wig so it doesn't pull on our edges, and we'll also add a wig cap. We're going to be using the Got to Be Glued Invincible Gel, and we're adding that to the hairline, and I'm making sure I'm spreading it behind the hairline as well. I'm going to use a blow dryer until the Got to Be Glued gets a little bit tacky, and then we're going to start applying our wig after it starts to tack up and get a little bit sticky. So now we're just going to place the wig onto our head carefully and position it into the correct position, and I'm just going to apply it gently to my hairline. So each part of the lace may not stick the first time, but you can just try and apply it to the sticky parts now, and then afterwards you're going to try and get some of the Got to Be Glued spray and apply the loose edges back to your hairline. So I typically just add it to a flat surface, add the Got to Be Glued spray to any object, and then I apply it from that object onto my hairline or the lace frontal and then press it down. And that keeps it secure without me using my fingers and making a mess. As you can see, she looks super, super natural. And what I'm going to do now is just dry it a little bit more just to make sure the gel is sticking. Now I'm going to use a hot comb just to redirect the hair. The hair comes, when you wash it, it just goes in any direction, and I want it to go a little bit away from my face. We're going to be showing off our hairline with this style. I'm also going to part the hair where I would like it to be parted and comb it through as well. So I'm using the hot comb to basically press out the hair, and I'm pressing it through from on the hairline just to make sure it lays flat. So I'm pressing it all the way around. As you can see, she looks silky smooth and has good motion, but I'm going to use the Tresemme heat protected spray, just to protect the hair from me straightening and curling the hair. So I'm doing a simple curl. I wanted this hair to look super natural, so I'm just using a flat iron and curling the hair that are the hairs that are framing the face away from the face, and then I am just straightening the hair at the back and doing like a flip out sort of look. You know, something natural and cute and wearable. And then I'm going to add some Pro Conceal concealer to my part just to make that part stand out. And that's it. I hope y'all really enjoyed this review, but this one is definitely a favorite. It's an easy wear, wash and go, easy customization. Love this wig. Recool Hair did their thing. If you have any questions about this wig, please leave them down below. Please follow me on Instagram, and y'all, can y'all subscribe, please? I've been working hard. I am tired. And hit that notification bell so y'all can come back and watch my videos and we can chat or whatever and drink wine together. I'm just saying, I just want to hang out. Oh, shout out to my cousin Malika. She she wanted me to give her a shout out on one of my videos. So hey Malika, how you doing? Please kiss the babies for me. So y'all let me know like what chatty videos you would like me to do, because I want to, you know, I want to be in the groove. I want to be in the mess a little bit. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.